papier-mâché and red food coloring and baking soda and a bottle to make the volcano and water because we're going to make a volcano today. You have to scrunch all the newspapers up like this, like I did right now. So you could do this at home too, or you could do another activity. One newspaper finished, and we're gonna do all the newspapers, which are all of these. It might take some time. And then we dip the strips into the papier-mâché, and then we put them on our volcano. Now the volcano is about to run. Just kidding, but it wants to run too. So we have papier-mâché and a spoon, and we're gonna put it all over here. So let's do this. Okay, it's sticky because it's with glue my mom used, and now we're gonna have to use it with the spoon and spread it all out. And I got some on the chair, so you guys have to be careful with this. So it's really messy, so you have to be all geared up. That's why I have my hat and my life jacket. So now we're gonna, maybe more papier-mâché. Now we're gonna put it on the volcano.
Alright.
So now we wait for the glue to dry, and it might take a while, and then we'll be ready to paint it. Dun, 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 dun. We're done. So after you're done waiting for the next day for drying the glue, now we're gonna paint it. And we got a bunch of colors that we're gonna use, and paintbrushes. So now that we're done painting it, we have to put baking soda and red food coloring and vinegar. My mom put them in, and now it's time to see the fun part. Oh no, I think the volcano is about to run.
Oh no!
Oh no. Whoa, it's gonna run! The dinosaurs! What's gonna happen? It's a rumpy! Oh, dinosaurs! I told you it goes everywhere as soon as it runs. Hope you enjoyed making the volcano like me. It was super awesome. You saw it explode.